Most people fire up Claude and treat it like a slightly smarter search bar. That's like owning a private jet and using it as a place to nap on the runway. I build with these tools every single day, and Claude runs through almost everything I touch. So I'm about to hand you 16 Claude moves that'll claw back hours of your week, grow what you're building, and quietly make you dangerous. Let's get into it. Memory import. If you're still chained to another chatbot, I feel for you, truly. But it's time to move, and the good news is you don't have to leave anything behind. Every preference, every bit of history it learned about you, all of it can come across in under 2 minutes. Here's the path. Open Settings, head to Capabilities, and hit Start Import. Claude hands you a prompt. You paste that into your old chatbot, and it spits out everything it knows about you. Take that output, drop it back into Claude, click Add to Memory, and you're done. Clean slate, full history, zero loss. Model Selector. Hack number 2, the Model Selector. Claude gives you a few different gears, and the trick is matching the gear to the road. Click the selector in the bottom corner, and you'll see your options. Haiku is your fast, cheap workhorse. Sonnet is the everyday all-rounder. Opus is the heavy lifter for the gnarly stuff. There's also an adaptive setting that picks for you, but personally, I like my hands on the wheel. Hunting for patterns in a pile of metrics? Opus chews through it. Firing off an email reply? Sonnet's quick and gives you options. Summarizing 50 pages of meeting notes? Haiku does it before you've finished your coffee. Gmail connector. Number 3, the Gmail connector. And I already know the first question. Is it secure? Look, the people guarding this stuff are playing a level of defense your home setup can't touch. So let's retire that worry and start using the tool. You shouldn't be manually digging through your inbox anymore. Connect it once and you run your email through Claude. Go to Customize in the sidebar, open connectors, pick Gmail, log in, done. Now Claude finds threads, summarizes them, and drafts replies for you. And native inbox search is famously terrible, so why not let the AI do the hunting? Power user move. Spin up a shared account for an assistant, connect the inbox, and they can self-serve answers they'd normally have to interrupt you for. Calendar connector. Hack number 4, the calendar connector. Similar to the last one, but with a twist worth hearing. Claude hooks into your calendar, and yes, it'll schedule things, prep your meetings, and surface your free time. But the real magic is that it can analyze your time. Same drill, sidebar, connectors, pick your calendar, log in. Now you can tell it to drop a 1-hour block before Friday to review a project, and it'll place it and explain its reasoning. Want the advanced version? Feed it your goals for the quarter, then say, look at my calendar and my email, and tell me if I'm spending time on what actually moves the needle. Suddenly, it's not a scheduler anymore. It's a coach. And this is just 2 connectors. There are plenty more waiting for you. Artifacts. Number 5, artifacts, which are basically working little apps living right inside your chat. Claude builds them, you poke at them, change things, iterate, all without leaving the conversation. People ask me constantly how to find a developer for some idea they've got. My answer? Go look in a mirror. You're the developer now. Just say, build me this thing and watch it happen. Tell it to build a spreadsheet with sample data, make the columns editable, add the rep, the deal status, the product sold, whatever matters, and hit enter. Out pops an interactive tool, not just another wall of text. That's the shift. You're not chatting anymore. You're building. Interactive visuals. This one's my favorite, hack number 6, interactive visuals. I used to yank data out of Claude and haul it into some other tool just to see it. Not anymore. Now Claude builds live, clickable visuals right where you're working, and it's turned into what I'd call accelerated learning. Ask it to visualize a framework, a process, a messy concept you're trying to wrap your head around, and it builds something you can click into and expand. If it needs background, Point it at a connected source like your notes or your docs, and it'll pull from there. The whole command is shockingly simple. You just say, visualize this. Projects. Hack number 7, projects. Picture a folder that's been preloaded with every scrap of context around what you're working on. That's the whole idea, right there in the name. Better yet, you can invite people in to collaborate, so your chats and theirs all pool in one place and you can riff off each other on a team account. Here's the setup. Sidebar, projects, new project. Then, you dump everything in the knowledge section, internal docs, PDFs, instructions, old chats, the works. Now every answer it gives draws on that material. I keep coaching calls transcribed so I can tell a project to comb every transcript for a story or an example around a specific pain point, and it feeds me content ideas. Pro move. Paste a system prompt into the instructions box and the project behaves consistently every single time you open it. Voice mode. Number 8, voice mode. Because here's the thing, I can talk roughly 3 times faster than I can type, and so can you. It's dead simple. On desktop, tap the little waveform in the prompt bar. On mobile, hit the mic. I do this constantly while I'm driving, just thinking out loud. The best part is, it transcribes the whole conversation, so if you want to reuse what you said somewhere else, it's already sitting there in text. And you can be a total mess. Half-formed thoughts and tangents, and Claude is sharp enough to figure out what you actually meant and hand you a genuinely useful answer. Chrome extension. Hack number 9, the Chrome extension, and this one's non-negotiable for me. If you use Claude, install it. What it does is, let Claude operate inside your browser to automate the busy work. Head to the Chrome Web Store, find Claude for Chrome, install it. From there, basically anything you do in a browser, the extension can do for you. Staring at a spreadsheet full of numbers, wondering what the pattern is and what deserves your attention? Just ask. Claude takes a snapshot of the page, scrapes what's there, clicks where it needs to, and surfaces the insight. It handles the stuff you'd have to do manually, including the stuff you don't even know how to do. Co-work. Now it gets nerdy. Hack number 10, co-work. This is where the real ones stick around, so welcome. Co-work lets Claude take over your machine and grind through work while you walk away. It lives in a separate desktop app, so install that, open it, and you'll spot co-work in the top corner. Quick tip: flip on computer use in your settings because it needs that permission to actually do things. Then you describe the task and the steps, and Claude breaks it down and executes piece by piece. Picture saying, pull last month's sales from the CRM, drop them in a sheet, build a summary chart, and post it to the team channel before Monday morning. It takes the wheel and does the whole chain. It's like Claude grew a pair of hands. Scheduled tasks. Hack number 11, scheduled tasks, and I lean on this one daily. There are chores I repeat every single day that I'd happily never touch again, so I don't. It lives inside co-work. Type/schedule, and whatever you just set up will run on a timer. These are the things a chief of staff used to handle that honestly don't need a human at all. I configure it once, schedule it, and forget it exists. Same time every day, as long as my computer's awake. So every morning Claude can read the inbox, send a summary, flag what's urgent, catch you up on the world, basically everything you'd otherwise grind through the second you sit down. Dispatch. Number 12, Dispatch, which lets you talk to Claude from your phone. They've made this almost too easy. Go into Co-work, find the Dispatch menu item, click it, and a QR code appears. Open your phone camera, scan it, and it sends you to install the app, then links your phone to your computer. Now picture yourself out at dinner when you remember something you meant to send the team. You pull out your phone and say, grab my pitch deck, send it over for feedback, then email the team the updates. All of that co-work power your computer is capable of, now riding around in your pocket because you flipped one little setting on. Claude Code. Hack number 13, Claude Code, an AI software developer that builds whatever you describe in plain English. A while back, I shut my whole company down for 2 days just to teach everyone to use it. Because if you want to outproduce everyone around you by a wide margin, you learn to build with this. There's a full setup guide that'll walk you through it, and I'll point you to it below. 2 flavors exist: running it inside the Claude app or in the terminal. Don't know what a terminal is? Fine. Ask Claude. It'll teach you. And that's the wild part. This is the only technology ever made that teaches you how to use it better. One non-technical leader I know used it to build himself a full dashboard. Vanished for 3 days, then emerged with an app on the wall basically doing his job. He doesn't code, he just knows how to talk. Claude channels. So that's great at your desk, but what about coding on the move? That's hack number 14, channels. You can wire Claude into iMessage, Telegram, or Discord and build from anywhere, as long as your computer's running. There's a full guide for setup, linked below again, but here's the shape of it. Create your bot on whichever platform you like, pair it with Claude Code in the terminal, then set up your keys and skills. And yeah, API keys are just something you'll have to learn once, like the first spreadsheet you ever made, then it clicks and you realize it's just how these systems talk to each other. After that, you build and iterate from anywhere. A buddy of mine was about to miss a flight, so he messaged it to check his email, scan his calendar, and check him in. Done. Claude skills. Number 15, skills, where you teach Claude to run a repeatable task the exact same way every time. The way you create one is almost lazy. Once you've got something working the way you like, you just say, turn this into a skill. To browse what's out there, go to the sidebar, click Customize, then Skills, and browse and install or roll your own. The best part is, you can grab other people's skills, and there are thousands shared online, built for legal, finance, HR, you name it. One of the most popular targets the handful of telltale AI writing patterns we all recognize and rewrites your text to sound genuinely human. Said it once, reuse it forever. Claude Design. And last, hack number 16, design. The one that turns anyone into a world-class designer. I'm talking pitch decks, one-pagers, landing page mockups, full apps, even motion graphics. As of this recording, it's the freshest thing Claude's shipped, and using it couldn't be simpler. Head to the design page, describe what you want, and it builds a draft in minutes. Feed it your brand guide or a few examples, and it'll match your style as it goes. I wanted to visualize the core ideas from a book, so I had it pull the concepts and turn them into visual examples that make the lessons land faster. Is it exactly how I'd do it by hand? Not quite. But it gets me 90% there, and for most people that's a game changer. And remember, this is the worst it will ever be. They just partnered with Adobe, so the entire design world is about to get shaken up. So I just dumped a mountain of hacks on you, but here's the relief. You don't have to do all of them. You just need to know they exist. So all I want from you is one thing. Tell me which one you're using today. Drop it in the comments. And if the first one doesn't click for you, no stress, move to the next. AI gets chaotic, but I genuinely believe you can handle this. People tell me all the time they feel behind. You're not. I've never once felt ahead, and I've made peace with the fact that I never will. The only question that matters is whether I'm doing the work to stay in the game. You're here watching, so you're already in it. Do just one thing from this video, and you're ahead of almost everyone. I'll see you on the other side.